What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your computer from turning itself off automatically. So first off, click on this Microsoft or Windows button, go to settings. Now here in the settings, click on power and battery. Now here you will see the option of screen and sleep. So this will tell you on battery power, turn off my screen. After I'll just turn it to never, so it will never turn off my screen after I am on battery power. When I'm on battery power, it won't turn off my screen, and when I'm plugged in, it won't turn my screen off. Now, as the same on battery power, put my device to sleep if you want after 4 hours, so it will put your device on sleep after 4 hours but on battery power. But when plugged in, if you want to sleep your device after, let's say, 3 hours, so it will put your device to sleep after 3 hours when plugged in. So this is how you can solve this. And that was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.